Hello, everyone. How are you doing? This is the first live, and hopefully, you guys can hear me. Let me know in your comment if you can hear me well. So, this is the first experience. We have been trying to set it up everything from the start, and really pardon me if anything goes wrong. So, in this live, I'm going to show you how hard we have been working for last 1 year. Today in the morning, I tried to see what happened with EzyCourse. Just because of the complex builder, we had to suffer a little bit. And I knew from the start that this builder is not uh, really useful, easy or flexible enough for the creators that we have. When we have been developing EzyCourse back in 2 or 3 years ago, we thought that the creator would be hiring developers and we would be able to create some sorts of community, or you will be hiring. But then we found that the builder has to be easy, and the creators are really solopreneur. They do not want to hire anybody. They want to do it all by themselves. So from there on, after adding cancellation reason in our EasyCourse backend, we found that please let me know, guys, if you hear me well. If you do not hear me well, then there's no point in talking. So just let me know. So this is the little bit story behind this new EasyCourse builder. So before I go dive into this builder, I'm going to explain why I actually chose to rebuild this builder. So we found that the reason here was the builder was complex. So today itself, I just saw how many people cancel their subscription just because the builder was complex. And the number was 48 people canceled their subscription just because the builder was complex. So on average, we get an MRR of 120 from people. So it's like a loss of 4,800 MRR from those customers. So this is really, really huge for us. So I have to act first, and I have to make something better for us. So no more talking. Let me dive into this new builder and show you how all this works. And those who could not join this live, and I really hope you will be able to watch this stream later. It will be recorded. So let me show you how it works, and I will also show you how building in real time. Me, myself, is a developer engineer, and I'm not a really good designer, just like how my team is, like Adnan, Mo, Musharraf, Shishir, all those guys, from the start. So I'm not good at designing at all. So my first impression was that if I can design it, then anybody should be able to design it, because I also don't have technical skill for designing with the current builder. So what I can design with my current builder, uh, I really what I can design with this new builder, I cannot really design it with our current builder myself. So as a founder and CEO of this EasyCourse company, if I cannot design, how can customer design it? So this was the whole theory, and we have invested a lot of time in this new builder and found that this builder could be really, really helpful. And we have some surprises coming up later. And yes, I will be taking questions, so please feel free to ask any question, and we will pick it up from you as much as possible. Okay, so don't forget to ask your question. Okay, so this is the builder, and it looks pretty simple, pretty okay. I think I forgot to share my screen. And I really hope you can see my screen and everything. So this is the builder, and this builder is very simple. It's really, very simple, though there are a lot of elements to come yet, but I'm going through how it works fundamentally. So we have taken some inspiration from Squarespace and Wix and made a best of the both world. Yeah, so I will not go deep into the explanation of how this all these things works. So let me go ahead and show you one by one how this works. So first of all, here we have some elements, and we have boxes, tags, button images, and few just elements. And you can find out with just simple few elements how we can design a very nice web pages. And here we will be adding saved section and save elements and few other things, but I just kept it very simple at the moment. And if you click on the add section, there will be some predefined designs here. So I will just show you by clicking one. So you see the predefined design and everything, and you can just do whatever you want. You can mess it up completely. Okay. So I will go ahead and share design the share will share the design from the scratch, and you will be able to know how this whole builder works from the start. So let me go ahead and start designing a real design. Okay, so I have picked two sections from here, from one of our easy course. So this might look simple, but it is also really complex if you want to do it with our current builder. And this is another section I'm going to do, and these two section I will be going to do live with this new builder, and hopefully I don't mess it up and the builder doesn't mess it up as well. But it's okay if it does. This is an alpha version. It is supposed to be messing. It's not a production version yet, but I think this is good to go. So let me start with this cute one, okay, and show you how it works. So I will open my in the developer console, just because I want some little bit of the measurement and color speakers so that I can make it as close as possible. So starting with, it looks like a box, and the box has almost 1296 in height and 326 in width. So let's click on a box and simply drag the box. That's really simple. And you can see the measurement here. You can easily align it here, left, center, right, and you can lock the section, which means you cannot do anything. So since it's a true drag and drop builder, you can mess it up quickly. That's why we have added a lock section, and you can duplicate section here like this. So you can simply duplicate, and you can edit, and this editing tool, you can just move anywhere, and you have some basic styling. We do have built-in animation as well. I will try to show it at the end. Okay, so let me just refresh and start over. So I will take a box, and the box weight is around 1296. So I will try to take a section or the box here, 1296. I will keep it here. And the 326 is height. So 326. So this is close. And I think this is how the box size is at the moment. But let's keep it for now. Now here we can see we have a background shape here, and we will just take the shape from here. So I have already taken the shape from this page, and simply add the shape in the background. And in the background, we will just use an image. That's it. That's pretty simple. Now the background shape comes here, and we do have an image here. So let me just drag that image. Wait a minute. So here we go. Let me just pick this image and pick an image element from here. I'll keep it here and click. You see how easy it is to drag in the canvas. So it's really super easy. I will try to find out the size of the image so that it is much more accurate. 320 in height, width, and 439 in width. So please keep asking your question. I will try to answer at the end, okay, of this design and elements. So I will be trying to go through all the question one by one. So keep asking. Thank you. So 320, 302 and is the high width, and 439 is the width. So let me 302. I will close this one. So the width is 302, so we can make it a little close. So I will make the image sizing here, and then we'll take it here. So you will see how cool it is. 302, 302. Let me just yeah, 302 in width. It is 285. Yeah, 304. We can keep that. And now here we can drag the section a little bit down. It is awesome. And we have one more way to make the section a little bigger. We can simply increase the row size from here. So it will go down. We have a few ways to do this one. So I think it is 439. So let me go as close as possible to 439, 436 in height. It's too big. Okay, it doesn't really matter much. Now you can see this image is coming halfway here. So what I can do is that simply, let me see where. It is here at the nearing these boxes. So you see how easy it is to pick. We can, let me see, maybe height was little higher, and maybe I need to increase the height a little bit. Yep. And maybe here. So yeah, you see now this kind of design was really impossible to build from our current builder and any all those builder that uses a normal way. So we have built something that is really easy for you. Now let me go ahead and show you how we can take all those things. And let me take a text here. I will keep it heading 2 and simply put the text here. And you will see how cool and easy it is now to use. It's a 2-line, and I can just keep it here and try here. Now let me see my color. So the color is different. So I use a color picker from here to pick the color. Here you go. I just copied the color, just edit, and here you go, my text color. So in the previous builder, there was complaint that we do not have the hexapixel we have, and I will be adding more your theme colors and all those color plates here, right here, so that you can easily pick. You do not have to copy paste. So all the paint that we got from our last builder, we will be executing here, inshallah. So font size is 336 pixel and font weight 500. So let me just do that as well here. It's super simple text styling. And you can change the font family. I will leave it for now. 500 it was, I guess. Yep, 536 pixel. And for font size is already 36 pixels. So that's super cool. Now we have these 2 buttons. Okay. Now I will show you how easy it is to create buttons here as well. And $164 and $38, $164 and $38. So I'm trying to just find out some sort of measurement. 134, 64 actually, yes. So we can keep that here. So this is good. Yep. Now the text says learn more. I simply add the text, learn more here. That's nice. Now here you see we have an icon here. We just need to add an icon and search for arrow. And I think this is the icon here. Now you notice it is showing at the left side. What we can do is simply add it in the right side. Now it's too close. So we have some option, which is gap. So let's increase some gap. I think this looks fabulous. And if you want to do some hover design, you just go ahead, background, you can do the background coloring in the hover. So it's super duper easy. Now, let me show you another interesting thing. Click and duplicate. So you get another button, same to same. Fantastic. Now this button has a color of, let's duplicate the color from here as well. Okay, so the first button color was black. Yeah, this color button background was black. And this one was, let me see, what is the color here? I think it is using almost the same color. Yeah, I guess it's same. I hope so far you guys are enjoying and it's not a boring. And you can see we have already 5 pixel border here around. Cool. So this is how it looks so far. And I think we are pretty much close. And we have slight borders here. Okay, we have a background here, I can see. So we have a background of this color. So let me pick a background. Even though we have used background image, we can still use a background color. So here you go. We can pick a color from here. And then boom. Awesome. Okay, I guess let me save. Now let me just take this background. Here you go. So I think this looks pretty much close to what we wanted. Okay, I think so. This text is long and this is small, so it doesn't really matter. You just stretch it here. Yep, that's look much closer. So this is how you can easily make a section. So this section would have taken a lot of time from me and a lot of time from our developers and you as well. And let's say you want to make it centered properly. So just click on it, it's centered. Super cool, huh? You want to bring this hand here. It's amazing. If I see in the preview, you see, it looks perfectly almost same to same. Same to same. There's some gradients here. It's some little, yeah, I can see here. But you can do whatever you can now. And if I want to add some sort of borders here, border radius, if I come here, let's see in the style radius, let me just increase some radius. I just give 4 pixel. Hope that's it. Yeah, it has some border radius now. So this is how the this builder works, and almost same way we can make the other builder, other one as well. And let's say you want to lock it, you can just lock it and you cannot move it around anywhere. So it's really hard to mess it up. It's super duper nice. And you can simply just duplicate this whole section and make another one. And in the save element, I'm going to add something like save element or save section. Then this whole section will be saved and you can use it globally everywhere. It's not just for this particular page, but you can also use it particularly every possible pages. So we heard that, and this is going to be really, it looks simple, but trust me, it's really, really advanced behind the scene. The whole thing, the whole engine is really advanced. So I did this first design. Let me now go ahead and pick some questions from you guys. Okay. So let me see what question we do have here. Light star. So the question you have is, will you have to create mobile design separately or will this builder auto create? So mobile and tablet is a pain. We will give you some automated layout from the desktop to the mobile version and the tablet version. Okay, but still you will find that some element is messed up, some element may not be automatically fitting in, so you have to adjust that. But since drag and drop is a great and easy thing now, it would be super simple for you to simply do the mobile design. But we already working, and I think this guys is almost finishing up. So when you do the design in the desktop, it will try to create the corresponding tablet and the mobile version for you as well, as much as possible responsive. Okay, and if it messes it up, you still have the option to adjust the designs. It's kind of same thing in everywhere, almost in every possible builder, not automatically 100% responsive you can get from a builder. So I see you have another question here. Let me just see. Can we have a dynamic section that can easily be edited from one place and appear on all pages we design? Also some for dynamic header and footer. Yes, exactly. So this is what I already answered. So when you save a section, you can easily take it into other pages, and the updated design and everything will carry over to any other pages you design. So it is going to be a thing for you, sure, for sure. So let me take another question. Will the website made be mobile? Of course, mobile is everything. Mobile is really everything. So let me check some other question. Um, Once again, I'm just checking if we have any other question. So I'll come back to the question again. Uh, yeah, I see we have quite a lot of questions in in this here. Awesome, thank you. Thank you, Lester. You have been a great supporter of EzyCourse. You are not new. You supported us. You joined EzyCourse when we were very young, when we were little in term of size, and we are really we really appreciate your support all these days, and how you have been helping us with the ideas and feedback and the error and everything. Really, we appreciate. So let me take a few more questions. Does the builder have all that is needed to develop an SEO friendly website? Yes. So we are focusing SEO friendly pages, SEO server side rendering. So we could easily build a non-server side pages, but we are taking the time and building everything server side to make the whole thing as powerful as possible. And previously we did little mistakes, like we did not have uh, easy alter tag for images and other things, but now we have been taking care of everything, and the whole page is going to be SEO friendly. So let me take a few more question. One more time. Will the builder have full template? So I'm not sure what you mean by full template. So we in our website section, you're going to have uh, blog section and the full template section. So our designer will be building industry standard templates for you, so that you can just easily start and start editing and just go ahead without going to start from scratch. So obviously you are able to use those template we already have. So we will be rebuilding and making some good design as well. And Roberto, you said can you type numbers for size? Yes, we can do the numbers for the size as well. So many question. Let's say again, can we add a background videos for header and section? So I think the video section is yet to do, and the parallax thing, I will ask the developer. My developer, if you were watching, take the screenshot, and don't forget to do that. Okay, guys, take the screenshot. This is what I think we missed it. Don't miss it now. And I still have a lot of question. You have a lot of question. Let me see, what is the next question? Will you have to create? Okay, you already asked this one, I answered. And I think there's some duplicate question. I will pick one more from Mark again. Does it work the same as the current one with regards to switching between mobile and desktop version? So the whole architecture and the builder engine is totally different, so they will work differently. And one of our main focus is that when we build let's say when you build the layout in the desktop version, we are automatically trying to convert it to a mobile responsive version for the tablet and the mobile, but it might have some glitches. So in those glitches, you can simply readjust, but we will be trying to make it as perfect as possible. And in future, we will be introducing AI as well for you to help. But I don't think it's feasible at the moment, but soon. I'm going to add as many elements as possible to help you reduce your time. So you said, Liz, is there any smart way you can design for both website and app at the same time? So I think if you are saying that white label or EzyCourse mobile application, then it's really hard. We are thinking to build a builder similar way for our Android and iOS application. So this is the different. They work differently. Their code base is different. One is native and one is on web. So it's totally app is really painful. We have been trying to support with apps, and we will be building app builder real soon. So will you add pre-built section inside the builder? Of course, I have already shown you how we can use the pre-built section. So uh, easy already. So I will show you again. Please stick around. You can see how you can easily use the pre-built block and section. So we already have animation applied. I will try to show you how animation works and what you can do with the animation. So thank you for all the questions. So you can keep asking all those awesome questions. I'll go through the questions again, but let me go ahead and show you the next section. Okay. So let me go back to this section. Okay. So it's also already same. I think you do not need to learn much from this one, and we will be sharing this demo website you can easily use. Okay, I will clear everything, and this is cleared. And same approach, we will take a box, and I can remove this one. So let me just open my developer console to know what is the normal size. It's like 100% actually, 400 by 400. It's like almost 100% to use. Okay, 414. Okay, so now let me take the color picker from here and make the background color. It's super simple, guys, and I really hope you all will be enjoying this new builder. Let me increase the section size here so that I can add the images here. You can always increase from here. Let me take this image. Here you go. You can see the alt tag here you can use for SEO. Let me see what is the size of this image rendered. 400 in white and 541. And I will try to use this one. One good thing about the image is that it will try to use the aspect ratio so that you can easily this image will not be cropped or ugly. So let's, for example, you see I have made this image a little bigger than the original size, so it will maintain the aspect ratio and it will not squeeze. 541, yeah, 541, almost same to same. And 400, yeah, 400, we can keep that. So here, let me just take this guy at the top. Now this is the beauty of the design. You can just take this guy. So this is absolutely amazing, really amazing, and I love this one. And I will try to implement the animation in this section. So you can see some sort of animation we have implemented, and hopefully it will help you. Now, this has a font size 34 and font weight 700. So this will make some little bit different. Text style, font weight 700, and style maybe size 34. So you can make it 34 pixel. And then you have a text section here. Maybe I just keep it centered. It's already centered. Fantastic. Now I will take a text from here. And it's two-liner, so I will keep it, and it's close to the left. It's aligned. Now there is a button, so let me see what is the size. 16 pixels, so this is a normal size already used, and I can simply reduce it here. Can lock this section, can lock it so they do not move. So lock is a very good idea. So this button is a little bigger, 143, 143 and 59. 143. Okay, it's almost same. And the background is definitely white, I guess. Let me just pick the background color, learn more. The text says learn more, and the background is this. And my text color need to be button typography style. Color is like actually black. Okay, I took the button background color, not typography. Let me go back. Fantastic. Now I need to find the text color, which should be black here. And I can add the icon here as well. Button typography, 16 pixel, 17. So yeah, and I think it has a border, 1 pixel solid. And the border color is black. And 1 pixel border. Let me give. Here we go. And the style, I need to give the border color to black. Button text, button color, and here you go, 1 pixel. Now you go. Here you go. We have the border here. Now let's see. You see? No border. We can add hover. Now let me add an animation here, okay, and see what sort of animation we do have. I will just lock this section. I think we are pretty much done here. Let me unlock. You can lock specific element. So I will unlock this one. And there are a lot of cool thing here and advanced styling here for advanced users. So here you go in the advanced style animation, hover transition, a lot of animation you can play with. And obviously you can use custom CSS for advanced user. So fade, we can say how long it should be. I actually don't know what I'm doing. And one good thing would have been if we do the changes, then the builder react. But I think the developer guys said there's a little limitation. So we will be trying to make the animation happening as we change here, so we can see what animation we just did. But let me save it and see what is happening inside here. Okay, I don't know what animation we did. So this is just messed up. So yes, this one thing, I think delay, no delay. fade in, animation out from top to bottom. Okay, let's save this one. Okay guys, I don't know what happened. So we are also working on back and back history and the forward story. So I think animation is still in work in progress. So I really don't know. Let me go ahead and just select no animation. If it works and come back again. I really don't know. Okay, it come back. Let me just try one more time. Select an animation. Flip up. I don't know what it is. Ease in. And okay, from top to bottom, or we can say it can come like that. Okay, let me save, preview. I don't know what is the issue here, so I will for now stay away from the animation. Maybe we have to show it once we have a very solid animation. Let me see without removing this guy and see if it has anything to do with the image. I have not tried this. So yeah, animation is maybe not perfect yet, but it's there. You can see that we already have a lot of uh, okay, I think animation offset is somewhere. It's zero here, I think. I don't know. I'm not really good expert. As I told you, I'm not a really good expert with the animation, so this could happen. But you see, the whole point is that I'm going to show is that we have a lot of animation, and it shows you when users scroll down to the bottom. Let's say you have a lot of section, 5, 4, 6 sections and different element. You can put the animation in each and every elements you want, and all those animation options you are going to get. Okay, and the nice thing would have been if as soon as we do some changes here, if it gets visible in the builder, it would have been really awesome. And I'm trying to make sure that this works like this, instead of I have to go to the preview and then see, okay, it's not working, or it's not the type of the animation we want. So instead of that, we might have to adjust. So yeah, I will announce when the animation is 100% working perfectly. Okay, so yeah, so these are the two section, and I think you guys have understood how it works. We can delete one section, and so this is how normally animation should work, but it's not working. Maybe I'm missing something. Now, I told someone in the comment box that how pre-built block and template you could use. So this is how our pre-built block works. We have just embedded few of the blocks, so we're going to add a lot of here and add search items so that you can find quickly, and some more adjustment we're going to do. But for now, this is how it looks. So you can click here, you see nice cool design already available. You can just adjust, do all the things and messed it up completely. It was really impossible with the current builder. So the mission I took to make the builder as easy as possible, actually we were able to achieve. Let me know what you think if we were able to achieve what we wanted. Okay, so let me try a few more section here so you can see. So this is awesome. And the inspiration we took from, they have no ways to build such a layout. For example, from the Squarespace, you will not be able to make such a design, such a flexible design, and HTML structure and the CSS structure, just like that. So this is incredible. Okay, and you can just do whatever you want to do. See, it was really impossible. Now imagine we integrate CMS data blocks from popular CMS platform, or we even make a CMS platform ourselves, and then give you options to make direct to your website, give you options to make any kind of dynamic website, a job website, a membership listing website, anything, what would happen? It would be really, really awesome, and it aligns to our goal a little bit. But maybe we have to come up with a surprise. I'm not going to reveal fully, but there's going to be something that will give exactly this kind of thing. So, as an EzyCourse customers, you will definitely get the benefit from those. So you see, it's really awesome, and I really love this one. To be honest, I really love it. You see, I can simply duplicate another one and do whatever I want to do. You see, this is cool. It's really amazing. The guys who were working on those sections, they took literally 1 hour to make all those sections, and I think less than 1 hour. They did almost around 13 or 14, but the developer did not pick up it all because we were short in time. So we see everything is customizable, everything is reusable, and everything you can mess it up. Even you see, we have some sort of gradients. If you are a little advanced user, you do not have to worry because it's easy. You can make stunning website yourself if you know a little bit of tech stuff. See, so imagine we are going to make this whole things dynamic for you, templating engine, and you can just loop over the items and or the collection, and you can make it completely your own dynamic website, not just EzyCourse. The sky's the limit. And what if we just introduce something like add section, and just you describe the section and the section comes out from the AI? So it would be much awesome. But this is my latter part of the plan. Main plan is stick to the basic, make it awesome, make it usable, make it as easy, as flexible as possible, without all those fancy things. So, but we will go ahead in future. Okay. So let me go ahead and pick some more question if you have, guys. And the session is almost ending. You can keep asking me as many questions as you want before we close. Okay. So I'll go back and share some question with you all. So let me see if I have any question here. Okay, Ariful Bhai, I see we have quite a few questions here already. I have to scroll. Allow me some time. Yes, you are one of the greatest member we have, and we really love you. The whole team member love you. Best ever. Thank you for your great work. Thank you so much. Will we have more control over our white labeling? I'm not sure what you mean by white labeling, but the whole EzyCourse and everything is white labeled. So I'm not sure what you mean. If you are saying that white label, the dashboard logo should be gone, but so it's something you can take it off if you are an elite customer or you need to request, and we can make a custom deal with you to remove the logo, EzyCourse logo, from the admin dashboard. We have some interesting question here. Is there shared option as the example timer section where we can use in other pages, and if we change the time or the section, it will change? Yes. This is called saved section. So I already discussed it about it, and you can just simply pick it. You can save it in one places, and you can use it everywhere. Okay, so it's possible. We'll be adding to manual typing in white and height instead of dragging and get to right. So this is one interesting thing. I will ask the team. Yeah, I really like this idea. Instead of just dragging, you can just give height and weight, and it just can follow. So developer, if you're watching, take the screenshot of this one. Uh, can a video be in the background? Of course, this is going to be a definitely a mandatory thing, and the parallax effect as well. We will try. You said, when will the builder be live, or is it already live? It is in alpha staging state. I am planning to make a static version live this month, end of this month, if possible, and the dynamic version where you can embed the widgets early next month. So deadline and estimated time never actually works, but I'm trying to make it as possible as as much as possible. Sorry. How does this integrate with the course and library section? So it's the same with the current builder. You go ahead and simply pick up your Uh, Simply pick up your widgets from the left section. We are going to have a widget section here. All the widget here, you drag there. A widget section will not have so much customization or flexibility, but you will get all the setting as the current builder has. This question I just picked randomly. It's already we have shown in the drag and drop demo. You should see. This is a good question. I think many of our customer will say, "Do you think we really need to help you? Do you really think with this builder we really need to help you?" It's super simple. We don't need to help you, but yes, of course, any if you need help, obviously we will. But the whole point is that to make it work from your end easily, so that you do not have to come back to us every time. That was one of the issue from our customers. So yep, we will definitely help no matter what we do, no matter how big we become, no matter what size of our company is. One of our main my main ambition and goal is that we're going to give the support as strong as possible, no matter the size of the company and the EzyCourse. Because a lot of companies, when they grow and become big, they just forget the support. They don't have chat, then they don't care about the support, and this is not going to happen with me, right? Trust me, this is not going to happen with me. I will keep providing the best possible support. uh, yes, so yeah, AI cloner feature that would be dramatically speed up the way. Yeah, that I really agree. So if I have a team working on the side, does the builder allow for multiple user with different rule? Yes, we are already uploading the dynamic pay rule system. But in the interesting system we have planned and working is that you can simply share a page URL to any developer, and they don't get access to anything of your site. They just get access to that particular page in a sandbox environment, and they just do the page, and then they deliver to you. That's it. That's that relationship. You hire a developer or some of your friends, and you just uh, ask them to do a design, and once they're done, it's done. Okay, we will be picking some more question from there's a lot of question we have come. This is a technical question. Is it possible to group boxes? Yes, group under boxes. You can add a lot of boxes, infinite amount of boxes. This was tough in the technical ways, but we made it possible. Yes, custom CSS, JavaScript, everything is possible. Android here, not yet available, but it's coming soon. Remove animation offset. Thank you, thank you. But it looks like a little late, but it's fine. We will be making the animation like how I wanted. Thomas said it would be nice to get a full website templates theme that we can pick and which make it easy to have a consistent. And yes, we are planning it even in a better way, so that you can simply pick it up, and your theming and the branding can follow across all the pages, all the buttons. So yeah, I'm trying to make sure this that all the branding follows. Squareverse has a summary block that can pull from the other pages. Do you have this? I will have a look at it, and I think this is definitely going to be possible. It's not that hard. Thank you, thank you. It's really amazing indeed. You can use this builder and play around and give us feedback at the moment. You can join, and time frame is the static version I'm planning to launch end of this month, and the dynamic version early next month or mid next month. Sure. Thank you for your comments. Really appreciate. Please watch later. I can wait to get started. Great work. What timeline are you? I already said this month and next month. Definitely, it will keep working. We will keep the both version running, even if you do not need one. We will keep both version running until everyone is comfortable and shifted to the new version. So we will keep running. Don't worry about it. Nothing will get lost. Thank you, thank you, thank you, buddy. That's what I like about being a founding member. You all have been providing supports, especially for non-tech member. Yes, thank you so much. Will we have to redesign pages that we have already had? Yes, unfortunately, because it's really impossible to make compatible, because the whole builder engine is totally different. The current version work one way and this version works a different way, because we had to build it a true drag and drop builder. So that's why. Does it work the same as the current one with regards to switching between mobile and? Okay, I think I already answered. Uh, yeah, I also answered this one. Yep. So thank you so much, everyone. I think I have answered as many questions as possible. I'm in the middle of making my web page. Should I wait for them? No, if you need your pages to go live as soon as possible, go ahead and do that, because those pages will still keep working, and current will builder version works really fantastic and it's fast as well. So nothing to worry about. And it's not just a builder, it's the whole project. We have shifted the core builder code into another project, and then making separation so that we can get a better coding version and get high speed possible. So if you're in a hurry, if you need to go live, then go live. Don't wait, go live. And because this filter is really easy, trust me, you can easily pick it up. And even if you have to take help from my developers or the team member, or from your BIP WhatsApp group, you can easily take, and they can do it really real quick. Yeah, thank you. I'm going to wrap it up. This is a nice question from Chan. Can we save a section and a page as a template, and we can have an advanced tab or advanced accordion which links to those section and templates, so that when user click on each tab, the corresponding section template will load on the page? Interesting idea. I will come back to you and discuss in details to understand what you are looking for. Let me see if I have any more question. Yeah, I will come back to you and discuss. So guys, thank you so much for your time. And yeah, I see you like the idea. Sure, I think we can discuss in our group. Then you can simply make a post, and in that post we all can discuss there and see what happens. Can multiple builder works on the same page together? Can we save multiple version of a page during the building process? There will be version history, obviously, of the same page, and you can just go time travel to your pages. Will we be able to hide show section and element based on tags? Yep, this is one of my main target or goal for the marketing purposes. So it has nothing to do much about the builder. It is about the marketing. So you can run the countdown, you can show hide depending on new user membership rule, all those. So I have a full plan for the marketing. If you see all my previous posts, you can see that I have described and told people this year and end of this whole year and the next year, I'm going to work a lot on the marketing features, automations, workflows, and evergreen timer and dynamic sections based on the new, old, different membership rule customers. So this is my goal, because what I believe is that if you can earn money, we're going to earn money. So my main goal is to give you as many marketing element as possible, so that you can really earn. Okay. So it's almost 55-minute long live stream, and this is my first live stream. and really appreciate you guys join and provided you feedback, and um, really pardon me for any mistakes if I done. But we have another live stream coming up with Darren. That is going to be really amazing, because I'm not a good streamer, but Darren, who has been earning $40,000 US dollar a month, constant basis on average, and he has been our customer since we launched, and since we were 3 months or 4 months old. So he has been trusting on us and building everything from another platform to our platform, switching everything and building everything when we were only 3 months old. So that live stream, I really invite you all to join with Darren. With Darren and me, live streaming about all those amazing questions that I have prepared for Darren to ask. And you guys definitely as a creator are going to get a lot of value from one of the top creators and one of the experienced creator. Okay. And last surprise is that we might launch something new in future with this builder, and as an EzyCourse customer, you are going to get a lot of benefits than all others. So don't forget to become an EzyCourse customer now. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon on October 17, I guess, with Darren. Have a nice time. Bye.